YouTube, it's your girl Dre Marie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this, stay true to this and hit the subscribe button. Today we're going to be installing a body wave glueless wig from Luvmehair. So don't go nowhere, let's get right into it. I've been all in my phone, I got options and I don't want to tell you. Alright, so let's get into the details of this wig and then we're going to go ahead and move on to the install. So this is a completely glueless wig. The parting space is 7x6. She came pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-layered, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, if I didn't say that, pre-everything. So she was literally ready to go. The texture is body wave and the lace is HD. The lace truly had a seamless melt. Seamless. And lastly, this wig is 20 inches and 150% density. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started on the install, and in the end I will give you guys my honest review about this wig. Alright y'all, so let's get into it. I love the packaging. You could tell that they really paid attention to detail. The purple, the box, the bow, the ribbon, everything is absolutely giving. You can tell that they didn't just throw it in a bag and ship it to you. Like, they really paid attention and took their time. So I absolutely love that already. But I don't wanna play your something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Y'all, this is her straight out of the box. When I tell you I didn't bleach it, I didn't pluck it, I didn't style it, cut it, layer it, nothing. Didn't tint the lace. I did absolutely nothing. And for it to look this good straight out the box is insane. I'm really loving it so far. So y'all, we're going to customize her together, but there's really not that much to do, being that she's a glueless wig and she came pre-everything. So first step, we're going to go in with a wax stick. Use any wax stick of your choice. And we're just going to flatten the top down. Next up, you just need a hot comb and we're just going to flatten out the top just a little bit more. So before I do anything, I just want to show y'all a quick close-up of the lace. So this is a completely glueless wig. Y'all don't have to spray it down. You don't have to melt the lace. You don't have to glue it down. You don't have to do anything. So this part is optional. You could literally just put this on your head, put some makeup on, and you're good to go. She has an adjustable strap in the back. She has combs, and she really does fit snug. But for today's install, we're going to be using Eben's Lace Melt Mousse. So for this step, you just want to make sure you take all of the hair out of the way. You don't want to melt anything down that don't need to be melted. For extra precaution, use a hot comb or use a wax stick. Just make sure you get everything out the way. It's super simple and super simple. Alright y'all, so for the next step, I just got a wig band and I had it on for about 20 minutes or so, and this is how she's looking. And now for the next step, we're just going to get makeup and we're just going to put a little bit on the lace. So today we're going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 330. I just use one of these and I just tap it on the lace. Next up, we're just going to use a wide tooth comb and we're just going to brush the curls out a little bit. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. So this step is completely optional. As you know, she came pre-cut, pre-layered, pre-curled, pre-everything. Wouldn't want to leave, you know I wouldn't want to bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body is long can you go, baby? At last.
Alright, you guys, so we're done, and let me just say I absolutely love this wig. Like, the fact that she came pre everything, this is definitely the wig to get. You don't need to know how to do your hair, you don't need to be a professional, you don't need to go to a hairstylist, you don't need to do anything. Like, it is so simple, anybody can put this wig on. This wig is for the girlies who don't know how to cut and layer their wigs, or the girlies who don't know how to style or curl these wigs. This is the perfect wig for you. And as far as my honest opinion, I rate this wig a 10 out of 10. I literally have nothing bad to say about it. Like, the texture, I like that it came pre everything. The density is great. The lace really did melt. I truly have no complaints, y'all. And this might be the first time where I don't have nothing to complain about. And I just absolutely love a glueless wig, y'all. Glueless wigs are the way to go. So if you guys are interested in this wig, all the details will be down in the description box below. The exact link to this wig will be down in the description box below. Alright, you guys, so that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for me, any type of videos that you guys want me to do, make sure to comment that down below. Comment down below. Let me know if y'all are feeling her. Let me know. The answer should be absolutely yes, because what is there not to feel? But comment down below and let me know what y'all think. So stay tuned for later on in the morning. I'll see you guys soon. Love y'all.
I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby.